Hello, my name is Umar Abdulmalik, and this is my lab one video for COM 4601. As you can see on my screen, this is my e-commerce web page or web application. It displays all the products here, and you can search for products by name over here. For example, you could search for mouse and check for all the products that are mouses, and we have found only one product here. Or if we can also sort it by filter while also searching the name mouse and do that here. So while looking for the ones in stock, so this should not be available anymore because this is not in stock. So if I search, it should disappear. And then to validate that is in stock only, filter also works. We can search for chair. This is going to show all the chairs that are in stock. And I can just go back here to view all the products. Okay. To create a new product, you can easily do that by putting in all the parameters here. Okay, let's say I'm going to add a price value of 3, 5, and stock amount of 10. Okay, so it gives you a message saying that book was successfully created. And as you can see in the creating new is the 15th ID, but it's the 16th product. You can see the book here with the price, the dimensions, the stock, and we can review the details of the book. It has a page created automatically. I'm going to go back to the home page of the products page. So yeah, what we just did shows how we can view books by ID. That's this here. So this is the 15th product. So how my hierarchy works is it displays products based on their identifier. So this is the ID for this product is 15. So to get this page, we do products slash and then we put the ID of the product, and that's how we get to this page. To add a review for a specific product, you can simply type, yeah, say I want to give this a review of 9. I'm going to submit the review, and it's going to give me a message saying, okay, my review was submitted, and it updates here the average rating of this product in 9. And if you want to view the reviews for specific products like this book, you could click this, view all reviews, and it gives you all the reviews that have been given to this product. Right now, it's only one review, and the average rating is a 9 out of 10. So, yeah, so I'm going to go back to the home page to answer a couple questions. Question is, what resources do you have, and what is their structure? So the resources I have is the products, which is the products page, which is this page that displays all the products. It has the functionality of searching products, creating products, and displaying products by ID. The second resource I have is individual products. So, like for example, this chair. This is the second resource I have available, and the last resource of basically page is viewing the reviews or the reviews of a specific product. So, and the hierarchy goes products, then the product's ID, and then this for the reviews for that product. And I'm going back to the product and I'm going back to the home page. Okay. Which HTTP methods are you using for various operations and why? Okay, so for this home page, the server is going to, or the browser is going to send a get requests or a get product request to retrieve this home page, which is actually displayed by Pug. I use Pug for my HTML in this lab, and I'm using get in this situation because I'm trying to request for data. I'm not modifying any states of the server. Same thing for each, like getting each product. I'm also sending a get request here by ID. Same for the reviews. I'm sending a get request by ID to get the review of that specific product. To create a new product, I used post requests. So whenever like when I created this new book, it sent a post request to the server saying, okay, I'm trying to create a new book to add to the server, and then sends that request. Same thing happens when you want to add a review to a product. So here, when you try to add a review, when you click the submit review button, it sends a push request to the server saying, I'm trying to add a review under this product. And then it sends you back a response of whether I was successful, whether I wasn't. We don't use put or delete in this whole website because I haven't added any functionality that is going to change the states of an already existing product. So that's why I'm not using put and delete. I'm not removing any products on the website. So there's no need for me to use delete. Okay, so for my naming scheme, I'm using products here to indicate that this is a page of products. And then for the reviews, they are nested within the ID of the product to show that there's a relationship between that review and that product. As you can see here in the top bar over here, what response codes are you sending and why? So in success scenarios, like for example, a single product, viewing the details of a single product, it sends a 200 OK response to say whether I was successful. And whenever I'm creating a new product, it sends out a 201 response saying, okay, a new product has been created. Those are the two success scenarios I have in making this website. For the error scenarios, if there's a missing field when I'm trying to create a new product, it's going to send out a 400 bad requests error code. And if I'm trying to search for a product that doesn't exist, like this, it sends a 404 not found error code to say there was no product with that specified ID. I also have one redirect code that temporarily redirects it. That's for like this. So if I load the page as just localhost 3000 with slash, it automatically sends you to the products page. As those are the codes I have. Those are the response codes I have in my project. Thank you very much for viewing this. Have a good day.